Alright guys, there you have it. If you're interested in this design, you can head on over to my website. I'll have a link in the description box down below. But this is how the glitter one looks. Very pretty. And this is how it looks just on the regular glossy photo paper. I'll leave a link to both papers in the description box down below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time. Bye.